Today is Friday, January 17th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States, which means it is time for the weekend. And as we get on with the weekend, we are watching the potential for a winter storm. It is not a major winter storm, but it's one that certainly could be impactful, especially late Sunday into Sunday night. And that would impact the big cities, it looks like, late in the weekend. But let's get on with the headlines. It's a complex system. It's coming in a couple of pieces. The first part moves across western and central New York and Pennsylvania Saturday. The second half impacts some of the big cities late Sunday and to Sunday night. It'll all be followed by an Arctic blast that arrives for the start of the new week. It could be some of the coldest air that some of us have seen in a couple of years. All right, on with the forecast. It's cold this morning, but you just wait. It's about to get a whole lot colder. It will be, of course, blustery again today in the New York City metro. So that high around 40 is probably going to feel closer to 30 degrees. And then we'll have mainly clear skies as our temperatures fall back pretty quickly as we go beyond sunset. We got an area of some light snow that will be moving into western New York today. By the end of the day after sunset, that may push into central New York. Minor accumulations with that and even some areas of lake effect snow. 40 today in New York City, 41 in Philly with some sunshine. Those clouds are coming in from the west and those clouds will thicken overnight. It looks like it's going to be a relatively dry night. All the lake effect and the light snow pushes north of the entire Northeast. And then it's on Sunday when the weather will begin to go downhill for most of us. But Saturday, with the first piece of energy, we're going to see some rain and snow pushing into western New York and central New York. Same for Pennsylvania, western and central PA. That'll be a mixture of rain and snow because we got a warm front here and it's pushing warm air north. So we're going to see temperatures rising, and then behind it, temperatures are just going to plummet. And that happens Sunday night and into Monday. All along that journey, this area of low pressure moves kind of like this up through the mid-Atlantic, and just north of that is why I think we had the potential for some accumulating snow from Philly to New York City late Sunday into Sunday night. So kind of a scattering of rain and snow, pretty light on Saturday throughout the western part of our area. And then as we head into Sunday, it's sort of the southern half of the area. And it may start off as a rain-snow mixture for some of these areas, but as the colder air begins to move in, it'll be just snow. And right now, there's a pretty good chance that it'd be about 3 or 4 inches. It's honestly too early to pinpoint those amounts. A lot could change, and certainly we don't have the cold air in place to start with, and that's always a difficult forecast when the cold air is coming in as the precipitation's already falling. Regardless, there is going to be some at least minor accumulation, and then the cold air really settles in for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Look at those highs on Tuesday and Wednesday, only in the teens. Overnight lows would be right around 10 degrees. I am not ready for that. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great weekend. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.